Kia ora te whānau, we are excited to announce our new online food waste challenge, Kāti Te Moumou Kai. This is a wiro to all of us to put less kai in the bin. Do you know that our kai and our organics, they need oxygen to break down, and landfill doesn't provide that right environment because they squash all of the para down and there's no room for the oxygen to penetrate it. So our food doesn't break down properly, it doesn't decompose. Instead, it releases harmful gases like methane into our environment, which heats up our taiao and makes ranginui, papatuanuku, me o raiwa uri sick. Not too long ago, we grew, hunted, foraged and gathered our own kai. We knew that kai is rongoa, kai is precious. He taonga te kai, he mana tō te kai. So, how did we get from there to here? The systems we have now are exploitative. They seek to put pūtea over our taiao and they seek to disconnect us from the ways of our tupuna and our Atua Māori. So, join Parakore and many other whānau in taking up this challenge to value the precious taonga that is kai. Hiki nā te wero e hoa mā.